Hey everyone, Peyton Hatch with Utah Woods Ball. Just gonna give you a little quick rundown of one of the projects we've kind of been working on to help promote some of the events. So some of you have played out here at Moapa at the abandoned cement factory, and well, this is kind of what we were able to put together. So I'm gonna show you guys how you'll be able to navigate this yourselves. So in the link in the comments, there's going to be a link to my Dropbox, and inside of that Dropbox, you're going to have a download. This is the file you'll download, Moapa, and this here is the software, the application that you use to run the software. It does need to be done on a computer. So once that installs, it looks just like this. There's the app, and here's the file. All you need to do is double click on the file, and it automatically opens up in the app. So really simple. Just open up. Boom, pops up. So here is the entire course. These are all individual setups. So if you want to go zoom into a position, you just double click on one, it takes you right in. And now you can spin around and kind of inspect the area. So you got a little mini map down here you can jump into. All right, so inside of here, just a couple quick tools. So as you can see, you've got other setups. You can see the other little triangles around. I can go jump into that one, just double click it, and it will maneuver you around the course. As well as up at the top, this little icon right here is an orbit icon. I can click that, and then using my scrolly wheel, I can kind of zoom in. I can roll, or I can go put myself anywhere in the course that I want. So, go right up here, and anywhere you left click becomes your rotation, your pivot point, and the center scroll zooms in and out, and the right click pans you left and right. So I can go right up here and I can just inspect myself out of the tunnel. Just go right through the tunnel. Whoop, sorry. So if you notice, if you actually go to an individual position and go into it, it puts you in panoramic view, and you have a great HDR image you're going through. So another really crisp way of just going through and seeing the course. So you guys are aware of what you're going to be in for when you get out there. You can kind of just go around. The other thing you can do, which is kind of nice, I go in here and I'm going to turn off my positions. It looks a little crisp, a little cleaner now. I can click that button right there, and then holding down the left button, and then using the scroller wheel to control my speed, I can kind of do like a fly through. So, up and over. And I'll go through the tunnel up here. There it is. I actually got a lot of kills one game. Getting up here, it's a lot of fun. Make your way up the tunnel. It takes a little bit of playing, but those of you who got the patience will learn it, and then get out to where you're electing and change your view, and now here's what you'll see out the entrance of that tunnel. Back down it. Just a couple quick things. Sometimes it's easier to to see what you're looking at if the camera's not a little bit washed out. So right here. So, where's that right there? This button right here, cloud color. I go into intensity. Boom. Sometimes that's a little easier. I don't like that one. I like the grayscale. So, yeah. See, we picked up everything. And don't forget, this course is huge. So we've got all the just reference of how big it is. There's my truck. In reference to the size of the course. So kind of an open killing field here. Don't get stuck out here. But if you can make it up to the hills, find a lot of places you can bunker down. A couple shadows where I didn't get things picked up. This is a big berm as well. Yep. If you ever want to know how big something is, little measuring tool right here. You can go and snap dimensions, distances. So that's 30 feet right there. So kind of give you a good idea of, how big the course is. All right, guys. That's what I got for you. Enjoy.